Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can apply for a UK student visa. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to the gov.uk website, and from here we can just scroll down to the bottom where we see visas and immigration, and we're just going to click on that. Now from here, since we're trying to apply for a UK student visa, we're going to choose study in the UK, which you can find right here. And then from here, we can actually see the types of study visas. And here is the student visa that most of you will be looking for. Now, if you're not sure which one you need, you should click this link here that says check if you need a UK visa. And from there, it will tell you the correct visa that you will need for your situation. So you can open up this link and start this and answer all the questions that they ask you. And from there, it will tell you which visa you actually need. But for this video, I'm assuming most of you need this student visa. So it's important that you come onto this page yourself and click on it, because you're going to have to read through all of this so that you fully understand it. So you're going to need to know everything about it, and you need to check if the visa is right for you. As you can see, this section on the right will tell you that. So yeah, I do suggest to come onto this page yourself, just so you can learn about how much it's going to cost and everything you need to know pretty much. But once you've done that and you're ready to apply, you can head over to this section here which says apply. And then we just want to scroll down a bit, and here's where we can actually apply outside of the UK. So we will need to prove our identity, so we either have to give our fingerprints and a photograph at a visa application centre, or you have to use the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan your identity document to create or sign into your UK visa and immigration account. But in order to actually apply for this student visa, we first need to click this Start Now button. From here, we'll just have to answer all the questions they asked us. And once we have successfully done that and also verified our ID, we will have applied for a UK student visa. So that's how you can apply for a UK student visa. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.